Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you where are located fuses on Astra J. Here one box with fuses are near from the right side of the batteries. So when you open this cover, you will open it when you press here and here with both hands and pull it, and here it is. As you can see, see here relays and fuses. Number of fuses are here, and number of relays and fuses, and what protect every fuse you can find on schematic or in book of your car. If you don't have that book and you don't have that schematic, put the comment below, so I will make one video with explanation what some fuses for. Okay, that's one box with the fuses. Astra J have 3 places for fuses, and here is another location where you can find it. It's above left pedal. Open this box and press or push with hand gently this right side, so you can the point is to disattach this little fellow, and just simply here are the fuses, and you can pull out this box. It's a little bit hard for me because I doing it with just one hand, with the other eye, but as you can see, here it is. There are fuses too. Those fuses are the most for instrument table and for radio and so on. Details for what's every fuse protect you can find in book. As I told you, for the first box with fuses, if you want, I will leave the comment in comment section below, and I will make another video for fuses. Okay, and now I will show you another place for fuses, and location of that place is in open the 5th door, and here from the left side, here it is. You can find here some fuses and relays. Okay, if this video was useful for you, please like it, share it, and leave the comment section below. It means a lot to me, and of course please subscribe to my channel for more. See you soon.